I am going to hurt someone. So, YouTube is incredibly dumb because I did my whole thing and OBS said I was streaming, but apparently, I'm learning little by little. Apparently, YouTube has a Now you have to go into YouTube and click start stream in order to be able to start the stream. I can't just send it from OBS to YouTube. It puts it in a preview pane and doesn't actually start streaming the friggin' stream. So I was thought that I was streaming for the last 45 friggin' minutes. And I am very frustrated at that. So let me show you what I did, how long it took me, and what I basically did for day one. And I'm sorry that I didn't get it, didn't present it overall. But you can imagine basically what it looked like that way. I'm so frustrated. You have no, like, I am so mad. Like, that is incredibly frustrating because I went and I had everything set up and I was ready to go. And then I look at my chat. I'm like, I want to see how he'll parse the groups. How'd everyone do? I'm like, wait, I already did it. What? 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 And I realized I went and checked, and I like the VOD isn't there. Why is the VOD missing? Okay, let me basically show you what I did. So I started by refreshing this page. Cool, got this. Pasted it directly into Excel. So I started reading this, and I saw that on day one, go pull up. Day one, I read here and I say, okay, find the elf carrying calories. How many total calories is that elf carrying? I started by making a grouper, basically, where I started by making a column that says, if it is blank, return a false. If it is not blank, return a true. Then I made a column that says, okay, starting in this cell and going down infinitely, find the next false. In this case, I found the next false in 5. Subtract 1, and you get the size of the group. Makes sense. So right now I have in every blank, it says the size of the group beneath it. That makes total sense. Next, if this is non-blank, then it means that it's the beginning of a group. And I made an indirect function that looked at this specific cell, so the row one lower of the first column and the row this much lower of the first column. And then it looks at all of these and does a sum on them. And that's how I ended up doing that list. And then I just made a max function that took all of these, and there we go. That's the solution. Quite easy. I did it in 3 minutes 25 seconds and scored 1443 on day one for part one. However, when I saw the next one, then I scrolled down afterwards and it says how many calories. So it's find the top 3 elves carrying the most calories. I copied this. I pasted it into a column, and then I grabbed the whole column and said sort from largest to smallest. I actually originally did smallest to largest, and I screwed up, so I had to do it again, largest to smallest for ease, and it just saved me a lot of time. And then, from there, I just summed the top 3. Took me just over 30 seconds to do. And overall, yeah, there we go. 74711, 209481. Those are my solutions. I got the gold stars very, very quickly, under 4 minutes for both. I'm so frustrated that it didn't show the solve, and that's very annoying. I now know how YouTube does this stuff, and it's very, very frustrating that I had to go in. It's just different than what I was used to. Like last year, I didn't have to do that last year, so the fact that I have to do it this year is just so dumb. And now, whatever. Well, it's gonna go into the playlist at least, so people can come reference this afterwards. What a disappointing start to the series, though, honestly. It's been a great way to start the series with like a pretty decent solve overall. Alas, I will live. Day 2 should have this problem fixed. You make mistakes, you learn from them in the future. Hopefully I won't have that mistake again. This is what the stream layout looks like. May as well do a little intro for everybody who's actually interested. Above me is my main screen. That's the screen I see directly in front of me. This big screen that I have right here is my Excel. Over to the left of that is my big monitor here. They're connected a little weirdly, like this is the corner of that, so it's not quite aligned up as you'd expect. It's like this should be like the Excel should be at the bottom, but it looks a little bit nicer like this. Hopefully you should be able to see everything that's actually on the Excel side. I want to be checking YouTube afterwards to see whether you can actually see these numbers or if they're not really doable. If not, I might have to up the resolution. We'll take a look at that. Ideally, you should be able to read this as well, but I don't know. We'll have to check all of that. See whether this is actually like a viewable series or not, given my current parameters, because I'm kind of just flying by the seat of my pants. Okay, you look pretty good. So you can read these numbers fairly easily. You can see what that says. Awesome. So yeah, basically other than that, over right here, you'll be able to see that it says what my score was on day one. It was 1443/761 325/359. That's going to be updated every single day with my times and my places, and eventually it'll be long enough that I'll start scrolling through all of this. And directly above me is local time and or the time that Advent of Code operates on. It's a little loose because this is my current local computer time as opposed to the actual time that Advent of Code uses. So it's like a little off. Right now it's like 47, 46, 45. Actually pretty close. 42, 41, 40. Yeah, it's actually almost exactly correct. So, yeah. That'll be convenient for next year or for tomorrow. Um yeah, that's basically everything. And I'm going to set up the thing for tomorrow. I'm going to get a thumbnail for today's video. Um Oh yeah, when we're doing jungle theme, that seems interesting. Like a jungle expedition, which I'm very excited about. Gonna be interesting. Yeah. Well, thank you everybody for watching. In the future, I hope that this will be a longer stream, and I don't completely screw it up and figure out about it 45 minutes later. I should have checked in the 15 minutes before I actually started, but like I saw chat coming into the side. I'm very very silly on my part, but you know, you live, you let die. I will figure it out in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Now to record Wordle for tomorrow. Cheers.